we're going to take this tool right here and we're going to show you how this simple t-shirt was used to make this much money. I'm Gary, and this is T-Shirt Help Desk.
T-Shirt Help Desk.
You know, if I had $1 for every time somebody asked me how to get more sales in their t-shirt business, I would be a thousandaire at least. Now, I can't make any guarantees, but I can make some suggestions. Well, one possible way to help you make sales is choosing the right niche. Now, this is for people selling niche t-shirts, right? Like, I don't know, Greatest Dad, I'd rather be fishing, Save the Whales, you know what I'm saying? Things like that. This is not necessarily for people who are starting brands. You want to have the hot new brand. That's another video. But if you're selling niche tees, I got something for you. Guys, you have to see this tool that could possibly help you. Merch Informer.
All right, guys, so here is Merch Informer, okay? Got to put on my glasses so I can see what's going on here. Let's take a look at the dashboard, right? Really simple and straightforward. On the top right here, you have product research, keyword research, trademarks, tools, right? And here's the great thing. They have tutorials that you can go through. But I'm going to give you a very, very good overview today right here. All right. So let's get into some things that I know you're going to need. They're going to make a really big difference. Let's go right here to product research. You're going to click on that. You got to drop down and we're going to go to product search. And we're going to get right here and we're going to put in, because a lot of people like to sell teacher and teaching shirts. So we're just going to put in teach. Okay. And we're going to do a search. And you see that the competition score is an F, right? That means that there's a lot of competition here and it's going to be hard to rank, right? And I'm going to go down. There's one shirt in particular that I like. So let's go down and see if we can find it. So also I put in teacher, see teacher, and this shirt comes up, right? This is another one of these, all these teacher shirts, and the score is an F. But you see this right here, this is the BSR, right? And this is really important when it comes to this. See this BSR right here? It's very important, okay? Because let me give you a brief overview of what BSR means.
So guys, you heard me use that term BSR. Let's talk about that. What is that? BSR is Amazon's bestseller rating, okay? And it goes a little something like this. Let's just say that Amazon has 6 million products. I don't know, could have a lot more. But if Amazon has 6 million products and your product has a BSR of 1, that means that that is the top selling product in all of Amazon, right? Now, if you have a BSR of, let's just say 6 million, right? And the 6 million products, that means that you are selling the least, right? Now you have to take this into context, but somewhere in the middle, right? It could be a BSR of 50,000, 600,000, 400,000, right? 80,000. That is when you can really start to see sales. Let me show you this tool.
As this is a website called Profit Guru, it can calculate BSR for you as long as you have the number, right? And this service is free right now, but I'm just going to use this to calculate the BSR to show you the difference and how you can see how much money a t-shirt is making. I'm going to look up camping, right? A lot of camping shirts. This is just an overview. You want to go in and you want to put in whatever niche you want, okay? Because the method, I'm going somewhere with this, right? And you're going to see right here, camping also an F. That means that there's a whole lot of people doing camping, right? That's because you have to do something called niching down, right? You can still be in the camping niche or niche, but you want to get more specific, right? So I'm going to do something right here. I'm going to show you how the competition score can be kind of tricky. So I'm going to put in basket weaving, right? So let's put that one in. Have a competition score of A, right? That means let's go for it. Not necessarily, because if you look at this, right, you see this BSR, you look at that, that is in the millions, all right? So I'm gonna show you a trick so you can calculate how shirts are doing, okay? You wanna go over here, right? And let's go back over to this teaching shirt. This has an ASIN number, which is like a social security number for every product on Amazon. And you wanna go right here. This is for free for a little while. It's called Profit Guru Calculator. I'm gonna have all this down in the description box. And you wanna put that ASIN number in, right? And you wanna press search product. Now, this is gonna tell you this simple little teacher shirt, right? The sales rank, right? But the estimated sales, right? So 7-day average is about 1,468 sales, right? Daily, 30-day average is about 4,297 sales. You do the math on that. And the price of the shirt, let's go back. We can actually open this up. And the price of the shirt is $18.99. 4,297 times 18.99 equals. Look at that. I mean, that's outrageous. Now, of course, there's a margin there. They don't get Amazon gets a good percentage of that, but you can do the math on that. Now, let me show you something else. This is the basking weaving shirt, right? Which got an A, but this is why you always have to take BSR. Wrong one. Here's the ASIN. Let's go back over here. Let's clear that out. Let's put that one in. All right. So you can see estimated sales like one shirt in current, and like one shirt in 7 days, and 30 days is nothing, right? That is really important that it's a combination of the BSR, right, of said shirts along with the competition score. This is why this is so, it gives you so much information because you don't get this information just looking, at Amazon as is. You just don't get this type of information. So something that you might want to do is you might want to do something and niche down, like substitute teacher. This is probably, that's a C. That's a little bit better, right? Retired teacher. Retired teacher is F2. Okay. Cat mom teacher. This is where you start to combine niches. This is when it really gets good. This is good stuff I'm telling you here. All right. Now, cat mom teacher is an A, and it's got a BSR like that. This is something right here that could potentially make you a lot of money. All right. Just letting you guys know this is something that could possibly work. So let's also go. We did camping, right? Then we do camping. Women camping. That's a B. Always have to look at the BSR. Okay, so let's do overlanding. This is hardcore. This overlanding camping. I might do overlanding by itself. Overlanding camping. Look at that. Overland, right? Which is a form of camping. That's an A. And the BSR, look at that. Overlanding t-shirts could be something, guys. So I just wanted to let you know how you have to niche down in order to make something happen, right? You can combine a couple of niches together, right? As opposed to doing this broad thing like camping, broad thing like teaching, broad thing like, fishing, right?
You have to niche that thing down. Now, with all of this stuff, guys, there's so many things you could sell. You have to use your
imagination.
Let's get back to the video. Now, this thing right here is like, it almost should be illegal. This is, you can look up phrases and phrases that people are going to Amazon and looking up. Now, if you're going to Amazon and you're looking up something, that means you're ready to spend money. Do you know how powerful this is? Check out this.
The next thing that you can do, which is really crazy, you can go down here to keyword research and go right here to trending phrases. This is so very powerful. So we can go right here and for today, and you got 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, 4 words, and you can see, right, things that are popping, right? What's popping? Some of these are going to make no sense. Some of these are going to make a lot of sense, like case, day, iPhone, grip, because this is all over Amazon, largest e-commerce platform in the world. Mardi Gras coming up, Black History, History Month. There's a lot of different history months. Let's see here. Tie-dye, okay. USA flag, year old. Boys, girls, mental health. Mental health is big. Let's see. So let's go back over here. And let's put in mental health. Let's just see. BSR is very high. Oh, but this one, like the stigma, this could be a nonprofit organization. This is not that high. Mental health, Valentine. See, now, someone combined Valentine's and mental health, and it's got a pretty good BCR. You see what's going on here? The combination of niches could be something that can really, really work. Mental health awareness, that BSR is not bad. Therapy is cool. This is something right here. So let's go back. Let's see. Chinese New Year, St. Patrick's Day. Life is better. That's an interesting phrase. Let's go back over here and let's see what life is better is talking about. Right. You see, here's the deal. When it comes to some of this stuff, right? And this is what people are searching on Amazon, right? When it comes to some of this stuff, without a tool like this, you would have no idea. Life is better with the whippet dog. Life is better at the lake. That's kind of like, boating or camping. These BSRs are not that bad. Life is better with an e-bike. E-bikes, I know I have mine. E-bikes, huge. Life is better with the papaya. Look at this.
Now, guys, full disclosure, this service does have a fee, right? You can get a free trial, though. I suggest that you go click the link down in the description box, get yourself a free trial and follow along, right? Pause the video, follow along and see what you can find. I think that this is a service that you definitely might want to invest in. And remember, guys, things are not what they cost, they're what they're worth.
And guys, this just in, if you go over and use the code T-Shirt Help Desk, you will get 20% off. All right. Merch Informer, 20% off. Use the code T-Shirt Help Desk.
So guys, Merch Informer, the link is going to be down in the description box. I implore you to check it out. I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Oh, and I want you guys to check out this video on how to start a t-shirt business for $300 little. I think you're gonna get great value from it. Until next time, peace.
T-shirt Help Desk.